So how is that? Well, let's now transcribe a short score to a modern vocal score. Okay, so we have to rewrite a passage for modern vocal score. So first, let's put in the voices. We have soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. And then let's see if we can quickly draw in the brace that comes all the way down. I'm going to try to keep it as straight as possible. I'm going to use a little bit of a ruler. And it goes up and up. All of them will need their clefs. The soprano has a treble clef. The alto has a treble clef. The tenor has a treble clef, and sometimes you might see it with a little 8 attached. And we have then the bass clef. All of them will also then need key signature and time signature. So let's put that in. B flat, a B flat, a B flat, and a B flat for the bass clef. The time signature was in common time. Now here, for the tenor clef, we have the 8 because we will write an octave higher than what we see in the short score, and the tenor would sing an octave lower than what they would see on the open score. So let's do the first one. Okay, so stems going up is for soprano. We're going to start on the F. Okay, and then let's try to follow suit to write like directly underneath, just like the others. Now, we're going to do a bar line that comes all the way down. So it's always good just to do the first one and then try to match it up. Okay, the next one, we have an A, a G, an A, and a B. Stem rules apply. Okay, let's draw our bar line going down. The reason I did the B going up because the third line is majority rules. All right, anything below the third line, stems go up. Anything above the third line, stems go down. Now this is the C, and it's above line 3, so it goes down. And then we have notes like these that are underneath. And we're going to end, so that's going to be for the alto clef. And then we're going to have it for the A as the quarter note. Now, the fermatas. Okay, you'll see that they're here. It is going to be on every singer's voice. Okay, here you can see in short score that it's just the top and the bottom. Here you're going to see it everywhere. Well, let's put in those double bars now that we're here at the end. Okay, so 2 bar lines. Let's now work on the alto clef. So the alto clef is going to be for those where the stems are down, and we have to line up the notes. So the first one, and we have to follow stem rules. So the first one's going to be the middle C. Then we have the F. We have the G, because you see that the line goes up for the soprano and down. They're singing the same note, the alto. Then we have the down for the F and the F. Okay, make sure the stem rules apply when you're writing them out on the open score. So here we're going to do these notes. Okay, they're for the alto clef. So we have the E, the F, the G, the E, stem rules applying, and then we do the F. It ends on the quarter note because the pickup is here. Okay, now we can do the tenor clef. We have to be careful here because you see where these are, the A, C, C, D, and it's going to be the G, C, C. We have to write them an octave higher than where they are. Okay, so we're going to start the first one on this A. We're writing them an octave higher than what we see. So we're going to write this C, C, under the F another C, and then the D. Stem rules applying. Lines go down if they're above line 3. G. So we see from that D, it goes down. So we're going to go to the G, an octave higher than written. Above this G there, we're going to be writing the C, octave higher than middle C. And then the final F, we're going to be writing the C again. Stem rules applying. Now, what did we forget? We had to put a fermata here, and the tenor also gets their own fermata. Okay, do you see that? So these notes are written an octave higher. But when the tenor sees this score, he will sing it an octave, or she, an octave lower. The bass clef is going to be written as we see it. Okay, so, except following stem rules. F, and then your F went up an octave there. It went to E, then it went to, let's see here, E flat. And then we have to write exactly what we see. Stem rules applying. Okay, you can write much nicer than I am. Okay, under this G, we're going to have eighth notes. We're going to have the C, then we're going to have the D, we're going to have the E, and the C. Okay, so this is where we can take majority rules. Let's go up with these. Okay, and then we're going to end with the F. Okay, also their own fermata line. Okay, does that make sense? And it's all done. So I hope that all made sense. If there are any questions or help that you need, please leave a comment below, and subscribe if you can. Have a great day.